Hi guys, welcome back to another video. How have you guys been? How are you guys doing? I've not been vlogging for a while now because I've just been all over the place. Anyway, I'm back to the vlog now. Today I'm running a few errands and I thought of just taking you guys along with me, so you guys are spending the day with me. Meanwhile, you guys see my face for the first time. Hi, my name is Face Nachi. Please consider subscribing. You guys, I'm running late. I'm actually going with my brother. You guys will see him in a minute. We are running late. We need to catch up the bus that just passed right now. You guys, we were actually going to the city this morning to buy a few stuffs that we can't find here in the village. So we had to board a bike, aka Okada, because we needed to meet up with a bus that is already leaving the village for the city, as opposed to having to enter like a bus that will still waste our time. Yeah, we finally made it into a bus that is leaving the village immediately, and yeah, we're just 3 passengers in the bus right now, but we'll definitely be picking up more passengers on our way. And yes, we have to stop at 4 corners to drop off some passengers that are dropping off here, and then we'll continue on our journey. later. That means we have to go and wait there. Hi guys, this is how many days later. I'm currently editing this video and I realized that I didn't even show you guys what we got from the city. The truth is, I wasn't able to vlog that much in the market because the market was quite busy and my phone battery was actually running low, so I couldn't vlog as much. But yeah, this is everything I got for myself. This is everything here. The other things that we got was my brother and then my mom. They already took their stuff, and then what else did we buy? Bread. So the rest, apart from these things I just mentioned, is here. This is the major thing that actually took us to the city, you guys. This is a rechargeable. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's a rechargeable juice blender. I didn't find this here in the village, and this is the major reason why we went to the city. Yeah, it comes with this, and then blender itself, and yeah, that's that for that. I also got like this very cute footwears. I didn't even plan to buy this footwear, yeah, but we were just passing and I saw this and I'm like, no, I like this. Being that I currently am in love with this color. I don't know what color this is. I think it's mustard, I mean brown, light brown, the cotton brown, I don't know. But yeah, I'm currently in love with this color. Okay, I even bought some clothes here that are same color with this, so I'm like, okay, you know what, let's buy this as well. Another thing we got are scarves. These are scarves, and then the rest here are clothes. Like I said, this is the major one that took me to the city. This one. The rest here are just like clothing items. I got this gown. You see the same color with this footwear here, as you can see. So yeah, I also got this top here. I got these skirts. What did I tell you guys about my current love for this color? I don't know. I just recently love this. It's even the color is even here in this scarf. I think. Okay. This is another black brown. Anyway, I got those. What else did I buy? I got this top, black top. You guys, everything left here are just like clothes. Okay, this is not like a clothing haul, so I may not be able to unbox everything, but yeah, that's just all we got. And yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love your support. If you got to this point, if you watched to this point, just comment hi in the comment section. I really do appreciate you. Thanks for the support. And yeah, I didn't tell you guys, I also got this. One of the things I actually got from the city. Funny enough, I love the stone, so I got it. So yeah, that's all with that. I'll see you guys in the next video.